This morning, let me tell you that the whole ship is on a good mood.
Good morning.
It's a beautiful day on St. Thomas Island. Grace was preparing a breakfast for us when our neighbor came for a little visit.
Oh, cool. Was he in O'Shaughnessy?
No, Benito, 37 first.
Oh, first, nice.
Bruce Farr one.
Yeah.
This is the one Bruce Farr
I love the
designed.
decks.
Oh yeah, as long as you don't have to maintain them.
Wow. Oh my
Look at this galley. Holy cow, you guys can't. I look at it, I want to cry.
You guys are gonna have to come onto our boat and see how nice it is.
yeah?
Because it is not.
You have a microwave.
Yeah, but we don't use it much.
We have a microwave as well, but it's like our first aid cupboard.
Oh yeah?
Bertie.
Bertie, Flora.
Flora.
Ryan.
Ryan.
Phoebe.
Phoebe, oh I love it. Finn?
Yeah.
And
Harry.
Ari. Alright.
Say all our names again.
Huh?
Can you say all our names again?
So Ari, Fiona, Ryan.
Flora.
Flora.
Can you just speak to us? Just like read us books.
Ah.
Amazing.
I'm gonna do a quick photo all together. Just stay here. And a little bit here.
Well, you know we're coming across to your boat later, don't you?
Yeah, true.
And 3, 2, 4, cheese! So what we're gonna do? Try to guess.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say you better take care of. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I got
And the Pavel, she...
Snorkeling the deep, knee deep water. Nog niet enkel
So Kaya, she wants to protect the coral, but she's taking all
I'm
that.
gonna protect it at home. Very secure, for VIP protection. Like, you know, I can't leave them. I already made friends with them. Little brain, little shoes, little trees. And now, there we go. You guys watch out for sharks.
This?
She said that?
This way, left, left, left,
My right?
left. You're right, yes.
We are 3 skippers.
Maybe I can snork like half, just my head, you know?
We were doing this last time. Just we don't have a glass bottom, but we have a low dinghy. I can do a special effect.
Can't let you go,
Oh my gosh, we just came back from the snorkel. Now we have a little rest on the boat and we're gonna have a little drink. Afternoon drink, whiskey and wine.
What did we see?
Oh yeah, we see 2 whales jumping further. We wanted to go with the dinghy, but finally we didn't because it was too far. And after Pav saw a massive, yeah, massive, massive, massive. And we jumped and we saw her.
Oh no, that is I'm gonna go. Like this time I'm really gonna go.
You see that? You're like, and then I think he can't swim either. He's like,
I don't know if this should be in camera.
Okay.
Do you think we can be able to get it or not?
Well, I don't know about.
Too heavy, too big?
It's getting it on the plane, girl. I don't know. I wouldn't be pushing my luck myself.
And the girl decided.
Huge fines.
I'll tell you something. The girl told me, oh, just leave it in your boat and you're gonna be dealing with 60,000 fines. Not a good idea, eh? So should I drop it, do you think? Drop it back? To where it
I
belongs?
wouldn't be taking anything on the plane because if you get caught, it is the
What do you
fines
do?
are
What about like
huge.
this?
You might get away with something like that.
What if we leave it here and then if you go to Cocos we take it? we take one bedroom for our treasure.
I wish I'd never said that you can take stuff now, but
No?
just be very, well,
Okay,
no,
I'm gonna release it
I wouldn't be caught doing it. Well, hang on, there you go, in Thomas Island, Naked Lady Beach.
Which is that one, yeah. Oh look, I got some blonde hair.
That's Miss Poland.
It's you, Miss Madagascar.
Coral and beachworm, you need a permit here.
How do you get the permit?
You apply to the Parks and Wildlife, I would assume, I think.
And can we have fire here?
Obviously. It's written in there.
No fire.
No camping, no fire, no dogs.
Oh.
But nothing about coral.
We're gonna go see the sunset on the beach with some drink. Let's go! Put your cigarette, Maria!
Like a crow. Making friends. I think the girl said it's her kayak, but she came in, she checked it out, and she.
Yeah, it's
I think
suspicious.
I think she's trying to steal the kayak like we were trying. But we thought it's
She had the same idea.
It's her kayak. Why would she want to steal it?
It's your kayak, yeah. And she went back.
She wanna check that.
I don't think so.
Suspicious, suspicious.
I think she killed the old man.
I think suspicious that
Well. Life
$2,000 fine.
is brutal.
Alright, enough guys.
Give me
What?
this beautiful.
Alright guys, we will see you tomorrow for new adventure. Kisses girls, make them kisses.
For survival.
Kisses.
Smooch smooch.
No, give it to me. Wait.
Smooch smooch. Hey.
Enough kisses. Go away. I got the brain again.
Oh my gosh, you're on your brain. Alright, let's pee.
Let's run away.
Wait, Grace!
Where's the time?
Wait for us!
I find the same spot like the dog.
Okay, cut.
Like the dog, they got the same spot.
Stop.
Next week, don't miss out on our survivor mission. We will try to build our own cabin, find our own food, find our own drinks, and even try to light a big fire. But things are not so easy. So don't miss out on next week's episode on Sailing Girls channel.